Some companionship. Why not head on down there and pick out a new friend? And if you're in need of a different kind of companionship, then don't forget about sexy senior single Sundays at Cheeks. Your very own Barry Jones will be down there spinning a special swing and set for all you swingers out there. And of course, with early bird drink deals starting at 1 p.m., you'll have a great time, and you'll still be home in time for the nightly meetings. All right, Vegas, let's let Joel Evans and his friends give us a spelling lesson with L-A-S-V-E-G-A-S, Las Vegas.
L-A-S-V-E-G-A-S, spells Vegas, down where you are sure to have a ball. A city that's as cool as it is hot, that's Vegas, place up that you can win it all. L-A-S-V-E-G-A-S, spells Vegas, a place where you can party all night long. You can take a trip around the world, no passport, wind up having supper, break of dawn. Now if you're single, you can go there to wed, take your vows in a drive-thru, or try Elvis instead. Thrill of a lifetime, guaranteed to excite. Rolling dice, this is Vegas. It's magic every night. Get lucky. L-A-S-V-E-G-A-S. That's Vegas. Where entertainment's out of sight. Names in neon, 25 feet tall. They sparkle, comic crooners, Vegas does it right.
inviting y'all to come on down to the Street of Dreams trailer park located just off exit 72. It don't matter if you got a double wide or single wide, we'll find a slot for you. Just listen to these fine testimonials that some of our happy residents done said.
All my other landlords roll up in my grill asking questions like, what's all that smoke, man? Or why does it smell like chemicals? It's like they ain't ever heard of freedom, yo. Best part about Street of Dreams is they don't ask questions, ever.
In my line of work, I always got a lot of guys coming and going. Thanks to the street's convenient freeway side location, my customers ain't gotta waste time finding me. Business ain't never been better.
See, we believe you can be just about any old thing you want to be and do about anything.